Welcome students to Naveen Sir Physics classes. In this lecture, we are going to do some numericals based on scalars and vector product. Let us begin the session. So here is the first problem. The question is given like this. So magnitude of V1 plus V2 is equal to magnitude of V1 bar minus V2 bar. Then they are asking what is the relation between V1 and V2. Okay, let us do this. So this is left side will be magnitude of addition of vector, right side will be magnitude of subtraction of vectors. So magnitudes V1 bar plus V2 bar is equals to V1 bar minus V2 bar. So mod, how can we write? So magnitude of the vectors V1 square plus V2 square 2V1 V2 cos theta under root. Same like a P bar plus Q bar magnitude P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Instead of that P and Q, here they given that vector 1, vector 2. Okay, V1 square plus V2 square minus 2V1 V2 cos theta. So square on both sides. After squaring on both sides, LHS V1 square plus V2 square 2V1 V2 cos theta V1 square plus V2 square minus 2V1 V2 cos theta. So V1 square, V2 square, left and right side, both sides will get cancelled. So I am bringing this side. So 4V1 V2 cos theta equals to 0. So V1 is not equals to 0, V2 is not equals to 0, but which can be 0? Cos theta can be 0. Therefore, cos theta is 0 for 90 degree. That means angle between the two vectors is 90. That means the two vectors are mutually perpendicular vectors or they are orthogonal vectors. Let us see next one. A force F bar 5I plus 3J acts on a particle, displaces it from origin. So from initial position is what? Initial position is 0I plus 0J. To which position it is shifting? To R2, 2I minus J. So displacing. So in displacing we can write displacement vector R bar S bar as R2 bar minus R1 bar. So R2 bar 2I minus J minus 0I plus 0J. So here initial position is origin, that's why we are getting the same vector final position as the displacement vector. If the initial vector is there, then we have to find out the displacement vector in the similar manner. So like this. So S bar, we know it 2I minus J. 2I minus J. Let us find its dot product, because force is a dot product between work done is a dot product between force and displacement. So 5I 3J dot 2I minus J. So 5 2 is 10, 10 minus 3, so 7 joules is the work done due to that force. Let's see next one. So here two problems are given. So one is the angle between two vectors, they are asking minus 2I plus 3J plus K I plus 2J minus 4K. So I will do 62, the 63 will be similar manner. So let us see 62. Right. So two vectors. If two vectors are given, we can write A bar dot B bar is equals to AB cos. Sir, why you are taking directly dot product? Why can't you go with cross product? Yes, you can go with cross product also. You are going to get the same result. We will do with the two methods. With the dot product we will do, and with the cross product also we will find out the angle. Let us check whether the angles are same or not. First, we should write cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. So a bar dot b bar, dot product between the vectors. Let us find the dot product between the vectors. A bar dot b bar minus 2i plus 3j plus k dot I plus 2j minus 4k. So minus 2 minus 6, so minus 2 plus 6 minus 4. So a bar dot b bar is 0. Let us find out a, magnitude of vector a. 2 square, 3 square, 1 square, 4 plus 9 plus 1 root 14. Next, magnitude of vector b, under root of 1 square, 2 square, 4 square. So we are going to get 1 plus 4 plus 16, that is root 21. Let us find out cos theta. Cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar, 0 by root 14 root 21, 0 by something 0. Cos theta is 0. For theta 90 only, cos value becomes 0. That means the angle between the two vectors is 90 degree. Let us do with cross product. So this is method 1. Let us see whether we are getting the same answer or not. To find that, we need to use a bar cross b bar is equals to ab sin theta. So what is sin theta here? Sin theta is equals to magnitude of a bar cross b bar by ab. We know the magnitudes of a and b. We need to find what is the magnitude of a bar cross b bar. To find a bar cross b bar, we are approaching with I, j, k. First vector minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, minus 4. Let us find out the vector form of that a bar plus b bar. So when I am writing I, we have to leave this I column and the row. So minus 12 into minus 2 minus j. So 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1. Next, plus k, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So 1 into 3 minus 3. So minus 49 minus 7j minus 7k. But we need to find magnitude of this. So magnitude of a bar cross b bar, we are going to get as 14 square minus 7 square minus 7 square. So 14 square is 196 plus 49 plus 49. So what we are going to get here? 196, 98, 14, 1, 214. Okay, so substituting this. So sin theta is equals to root 14 root 21 by 214. So 14 21s are, we are going to get under root of 214 only. If you multiply this, we are going to get under root of 214 by 214, we are going to get 1. So for which value of theta, sin becomes 190 degree only. Therefore again we are getting the same answer. So no need of any hesitation. Directly we can take any one of the method to get the answer. So no issues at all. So sometimes they are giving in terms of exclusively sign, in terms of exclusively cost. There you can use according to the given options. Okay, right in 63. So 63 you can do it similar manner. You can find with the two methods you will get the same answer. Right, let us see next one. A particle moves with a velocity 6i minus 4j 3k meter per second under influence of the force vector 20i plus 15j minus 5k Newton. The instantaneous power applied to the particle is. So I told you that the dot product between force vector and velocity vector gives the power. Okay, let us directly find out the dot product. 20i plus 15j minus 5k dot 6i minus 4j plus 3k. You can write f bar dot v bar or v bar dot f bar, no problem at all, because we know that a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. But when you are writing a bar cross b bar is not equals to b bar cross a bar, we cannot take like this. The dot product we can take. First you will write whatever the vector it may be, no problem. But in calculating the cross product, definitely we should write first a bar, then only b bar, because a bar cross b bar is not equals to b bar cross a bar. But what it will equals to? It will equals to minus b bar cross a bar. I told you that already. If you take the cross product between ij, so ij is 1 and j cross I is minus 1. So because of reason in dot product, whichever the vector you write first, no issue at all. So 20 into 6, 120, 15 into 4, 60 minus 15. So 120 minus 75. So 45 meter joule per second, because it is power we are expressing in terms of joule per second, or watt also we can get. Well, let us see next one. Right, if p bar dot q bar is equals to pq, then what is the angle between p bar and q bar? So p bar dot q bar equals to pq. Let us do p bar dot q bar, nothing but what? Pq cos theta, that is equals to pq. Pq get cancelled, cos theta is equals to 1. Therefore theta equals to 0. That's it. And let us see 66. So two constant forces 2i minus 3j plus 3k and I plus j minus 2k acts on a body, displace it from position r1 I plus 2j minus 2k meter to r2 position 7i plus 10j plus 5k. What is the work done? So here two forces. So net force we should find. So what is net force? F is equals to F1 bar plus F2 bar. Direct addition, component addition. So 2i plus I, 3i minus 3j plus j minus 2j, next 3k minus 2k plus k. Next, displacement vector. How to find displacement vector? I told you that already. Displacement vector you can write final position vector minus initial position vector. What is final position vector? 7i plus 10j plus 5k minus initial position vector I plus 2j minus 2k. So 7i minus I, 6i, 10i minus 2j plus 8j, 5i minus of minus plus 10k. They are asking work done. So work done is equals to f bar dot s bar on dot product between force and displacement vector gives work done. So 3i force vector 3i minus 2j plus k dot 6i plus 8j plus 10k. So 6 3s are 18 minus 16 plus 10. So 38 minus 16. Answer is 12. That means none of these. Right, next one. So the angle between the vector is given by the what are the angles are given 6i plus 6j minus 3k 7i plus 4j plus 4k given. Let us find out a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. Cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. Let us find out first a bar dot b bar. 6i plus 6j minus 3k dot 7i plus 4j plus 4k. So 7 6 of 42 plus 24 minus 12. So 30 24 54. A bar dot b bar is 54 and then mod a 6 square plus minus 3 whole square. 36 36 9 72 plus 9 81. Root 81 gives 9. Next b, magnitude of b 7 square 4 square plus 4 square. So what we are going to get 49 plus 16 plus 16. So 32 plus 49 181. Again 9. Therefore cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar 54 by 9 into 9. 9 6 2 3 cos theta is equals to 2 by 3. But here we don't have that kind of option. Let us check for other option. So this is cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. So let us find out the opposite side. What we know, hypo square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So hypo square is what? 3 square, adjacent square 2 square plus opposite square. So 9 minus 4 is opposite square, therefore opposite is equal to root 5. So now we can write sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite what? Root 5 and hypotenuse is 3. Therefore we can write theta is equal to sin inverse of root of 5 by 3. So now we have an option here. Okay, now so without doing the cross product also, by writing in this way we are going to get the angle in terms of sine also. So actually we calculated cos value. So cos value is what we got 2 by 3, but no option is matching with 2 by 3. Then what we have to go? We have to do to find out the opposite side. Then we are going to express in terms of sin theta. So after expressing sin theta, so we are going to get the answer. So in this way we can convert cos term into sin term. Right, next. So here the question given to you. So the angle between A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar. So we know that A bar cross B bar, when it will be equal, minus B bar cross A bar. So if they are, what kind of vectors now we can say? These two vectors are opposite vectors. If they are opposite vectors, now can we write? Opposite vectors, how can we write? Opposite vectors are nothing but the angle between them will be phi only. This is A bar cross B bar. This is minus B bar cross A bar. Otherwise, if you want to find A bar cross B bar, cross B bar cross A bar. So we can write A bar cross B bar mod B bar cross A bar mod sin theta. Even if you are writing like this, by taking the A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar, we are going to get this magnitude as one minus 1. So therefore theta value sin 90 plus 90, sin 90 plus 90 cos 90, cos 90 value 0. Okay, that means here these two vectors are parallel to each other, therefore answer will be 0. And next, what is the angle between P plus Q and B bar cross Q bar? In a similar manner you can do it, you will get the answer 77. And next, find the torque of a force F bar equals to minus 3i plus j plus 5k and R bar 7i plus 3j plus k. So torque, we know that R bar cross F bar. So R bar, first vector we should write R bar by j k. I told you that most of the students they will write first force vector. I told you that they will give first force vector only, later they will give the position vector. So even though they will give the second term as a position vector, first we have to write that term only. 7 3 1 minus 3 1 5. So I into, so 3 into 5 15, 1 into 1 minus 1 minus j, 7 into 5 35, 3 into 1, so minus of minus plus. Next plus k, I 7 into 1 7, so 3 into 3 minus plus 9, therefore 49 minus 38j plus 16k is equals to R bar cross F bar. And next they are asking find the value of A plus B cross A bar minus B bar. A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. So let us find A bar cross A bar. Next A bar minus A bar cross B bar. Next B bar cross A bar. Next minus B bar cross B bar. The angle between parallel vectors is a null vector. This is 0 and this is also 0. The angle between like vectors will be 0. So minus A bar cross B bar, this we can write B bar cross A bar, we can write minus A bar cross B bar, we can write. So minus A bar cross B bar minus A cross B bar, therefore minus 2 times of A bar cross B bar, but we don't have an option like this, that's why I am converting this A bar cross B bar into minus B bar cross A bar, minus 2 into minus B bar cross A bar, because A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar, minus into minus plus, so we are going to get 2 times of B bar cross A bar. So your option will be D. Let us see next one. The area of parallelogram whose sides are represented by vectors I plus 3j and I plus 2j minus k, and they are asking triangle also. So if by giving two vectors, I will give formula here, you can do this. So write as a note, if A bar and B bar are represented as adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then area of parallelogram we can find mod A bar cross B bar. So this will gives the area of parallelogram. In a similar manner, if A bar and B bar are represented as adjacent sides of a triangle, then area of triangle 1 by 2 area half modulus of A bar cross B bar. So find out the cross product and its magnitude and then make it half. You are going to get the answer for area of the triangle. So these are the two formulas for doing these two problems. Simple. So find out the cross product. So here I term is not there in the first vector. If I term is not there in the first vector, we should write in the place of that I 0. Next j 1, k 3, then 1, 2, minus 1. Now remaining procedure will be same. So finding the cross A bar cross B bar. How to find? I into 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So 3 into 2 minus 6. Next j minus j we can take minus j. So 0 into minus 1 0. So 1 into 3 minus 3 plus k into 0 into 2 0. Next 1 into 1 minus 1. So what is the expression we are going to get? Minus 7i here minus plus 3j minus k. So this is only A bar plus B bar, but to get the magnitude of the vector we should take the magnitude of that. So magnitude of that 7 square plus 3 square plus 1 square, 49 plus 9 plus 1. So 50 root 59 units, square units is the answer. So in this way you can get the area of the parallelogram. In the similar manner, triangle you can make the half. You are going to get the answer. Let us see next one. So what is the unit vector perpendicular to following vectors 2i plus 2j minus k 6i minus 3j plus 2k? Already I told you. So if A bar and B bar are two vectors are given, then unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is we can write n cap is equals to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar cross b bar. Okay, so in this way we are going to get its unit vector. So first find a bar cross b bar. So I j k 2 2 minus 1 6 minus 3 2. So I 2 into 2 4 3 in minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 minus j. So 2 into 2 4 6 into minus 1 plus 6 plus k into 2 into minus 3 minus 6 2 into minus 12 I minus 10j minus 18k. So this is a bar cross b bar. Our aim is to find what magnitude of this. So magnitude of that vector, how to find the magnitude of the vector? So root of 1 square minus 10 square minus 18 square, 1 plus 100 plus, what is 18 square? 18 into 18 4 6 8 14 8, the same way 1 4, I think so 324. So what is going to be 324 424 425. So we can express, I think so, 5 root something. So 5 root of 17, I think so. So what is the vector? We got I minus 10j minus 18k. I minus 10j minus, this is our unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Now let us see the last one. So I plus j, find the angle between I plus j and j minus k. So same, I plus j dot j minus k. So I dot j, angle between perpendicular vectors will be 0. So here I am going to find cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. So here I am finding a bar dot b bar. So I dot j minus I dot k plus j dot j minus j dot k. So these two are perpendicular vector, these two are perpendicular vector, these two are perpendicular. So perpendicular vector dot product gives 0, and this alone we got 1. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equals to 1. Then mod a 1 square plus 1 square root 2. Next magnitude of b, 1 square plus of minus 1 square root 2. Substitute here. So 1 by root 2 into root 2 1 by 2. Therefore theta value, for which value of theta it will be 1 by 2, I think so 5 by 6, 5 by 6 or 5 by 3, 5 by 3, right. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So similar manner, so here one more problem is given. If two vectors 2i plus bj plus 2k, I plus j plus k parallel if, so when the vectors will parallel, if the cross product between them is equals to 0. So here we need to find its cross product, or if they are parallel, so simply we can write the components are will be same. So we are going to write 2 by 1 equals to b by 1 equals to 2 by 1. So in this way also we can write. If for parallel vectors we are comparing their magnitudes, ratio of the magnitudes will be in the constant ratio. So if you observe this, what you are going to get, b is equals to 2. Okay, so in this way we can approach, or otherwise you can find a bar cos b bar 0. So you make that a bar cos b bar to equals to 0 after finding its magnitude, then you are going to get the value of b, or otherwise simply we can do like this. So only comparison, so this by here this component and this component by the j component and the k component of the first vector by k component of second vector, then we are going to get the answer as b equals to 2. Okay, now these are the some numericals based on the scalar and vector product. Thank you, stay safe, take care.